While Buzzy has only been formally studied for injections and IV access, the cold and vibration between the brain and the pain can work anywhere. This is how you use Buzzy for finger sticks. For finger sticks, the nerves run down either side of the finger, spreading from a plexus at the base of the finger. While Buzzy usually works best when it's closest to the procedure, for finger sticks, the motor of Buzzy should be placed directly on the nerve plexus. Fold and freeze the ice wings. Wings must be frozen solid for best effect, both for pain relief and to avoid absorbing the vibration. Press Buzzy against the base of the finger for about 30 seconds, then clean and prick the finger with Buzzy in place. Buzzy should be placed between the brain and the pain to block the nerves. For shots or blood draws in the heel, L4 and S1 run straight down the leg over the heel. Place Buzzy directly above the heel and activate vibration. Leave in place approximately 15 seconds, then prick the heel for access. Insert a tourniquet or Velcro strap through Buzzy's slot. Buzzy should be placed between the brain and the pain to block the nerves. For IV access in the dorsum of the hand, C7 and 8 run straight down from the shoulder to the back of the hand. Strap Buzzy 2 to 3 centimeters proximal to the site, with the round bottom end closest to the cannulation area, and activate vibration. Clean the site and place IV with Buzzy in place and vibrating during IV access event.
How big is Buzzy?
For shots in the vastus medialis, L2, 3, and 4 curve diagonally in a line from the hip to the thigh. Place Buzzy directly on the site and activate vibration. Leave in place approximately 15 seconds, then slide diagonally up and to the outside of the thigh. Administer the shot with Buzzy's round bottom end closest to the injection site. Because shots hurt more when muscles are tensed, lying flat is often more comfortable.
When I know that I have a shot, I just go, it just stings really bad. And the Buzzy makes the pain go away. It's no biggie with Buzzy.